Good morning, student. Today we are going to do an interesting activity of practical life exercise, how to sneeze and cough. As children, COVID-19 is going on, we should be very careful while sneezing and coughing. So watch me carefully. Come, let me show you. Turn the camera. So children, this is the wrong way. This is the right way. For this, we need a hanky. When we cough or sneeze, we should cover our mouth like this. Okay, children? So, children, always use hanky for sneezing and coughing. So, today you have learned how to sneeze and cough. Thank you. Have a nice day.